Kizomba Phoenix,
where we make
learning Kizomba fun and easy.
If this is your first time here,
we recommend subscribing to our YouTube channel for more video tips, tricks, and materials.
If you have questions or feedback,
drop them comment below. Let us know what you think. If you find this video useful, we recommend you head on to KizombaPhoenix.com and sign up for our Kizomba Bootcamp or our Kizomba Intensive course.
Also, don't forget to like, share, and hit the bell notification for more videos.
And if there's any topic you'd like us to develop on or talk about, make sure you send us a message, let us know, and we will make a video just for you.
Okay, let's see what we have for today.
Awesome. So, today we have something very fun and easy to do. It looks like this. From this angle. Alright, so we've changed things a bit. I'm going to start with my bunda facing you to make it easier for you. Starting with a retroceso, we have 1, turn on 2, step on 3, step on a syncopation, and step on 4. Dip your partner on 5, hold it on 6, look at her on 7, let her know how beautiful she is on 8. Half tempo. 5, 6, 7, here we go. 1, turn, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, from the other angle.
For the followers going on a troceso, going forward on 1, turn on 2, step on 3, step on the end, step on the 4, dip on 5, hold on 6, look at the partner 7, 8. Okay, let's reset and do it half tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very important, ladies, the way we dip with our back straight, we support our body weight, and also we keep very close to our partner, so he is going to support us. And don't have any gaps in between your thighs, okay?
Fantastic from this angle, so we are here. The next 8 count is going to be super easy. We call this around the world. We are going to start with our right foot, gentlemen.
Ladies, with the left.
So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch hands on 5, 6, 7, and block her on 8 as we step with our left foot on 8. One thing that is worth mentioning here, as I'm taking the lady around me, I'm using my middle finger to guide her as she goes around, and I'm going to switch off hands here and then block her using my forearm here as we go into the next one. Okay? Here we go. Half tempo. We have 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, guide, 3, 4, 5, switch, 6, 7, block. Epa.
For the follow, starting from the dip, we're going to step with the left on 1, step on 2, step on 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On the 8th, our weight is on the right. And this around the word, our left hand will be free so we can style. Okay, let's do it one more time, half tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Fantastic. The next count is going to be a total of 9 counts. All right. So we are going to take 2 steps and turn. So we have 1, 2, 3. What's happening on this first 1, 2, 3? We are turning. We are pulling the lady forward using our forearm. We are going to lift our forearm to encourage the lady to go in the inside on 3. All right. So the next 6 count is going to be virgula. 3 times 2 counts. So we have 1, 2, 3, and again 1, 2, 3, and fantastic. Here we go again, half tempo. We have 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and up.
For the follow, we just finished the 8 on the right. We're gonna step on 1, turn on 2, step on 3, step on 4, step on 5, together, and then we're gonna go another virgula. 1, 2, 3, and. Okay? That's 3 sets. Half tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, and.
Fantastic.
Very important, one more detail on the third step. We have to make sure that we point diagonal and we are going back into close position and we face the partner. So we always follow his chest on this, okay?
All right, so the last 6 count is going to be a quarter turn virgula where we're going to go forward and turn quarter turn, okay? So it's an arc, quarter of a circle, okay? Basic 3, quarter turn. All right, so we have step on 1, step on 2, together 3, going back, 1, step on 2, together 3. Half tempo. We have 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, together. 1, 2, together. Hey!
For the follows, very easy, going back to our left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Back, 2, 3. Okay? Now let's do the whole thing.
All right, so we're going to do the whole thing half tempo and then the whole thing full tempo. Half tempo. 5, 6, 7, here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, switch. 5, 6, block. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, back. 1, 2, 3, full tempo. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Hey, pa.
For the followers, going half tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, back, 2, 3. Okay, let's do it full tempo. Full tempo. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, cha-cha. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
So now we are going to do it with your partner, half tempo and then full tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Fantastic. Now we are going to do it full speed. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2. Cha cha. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Fantastic.
Thank you so much for watching.
And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and let us know what you think of the video and what we can do next time to make it better. Thank you so much. We'll see you
on the dance floor.